Hey guys, this is the Forest Manor 24 by 52. This home is a 3-bed, 2-bath, and it is 1,144 square foot. This is what we call an end loader model. It's got a front kitchen, a front living room, and the front porch. This is a model designed specifically to be placed in a community. If you're planning on building in a community, this might be a home you want to take a look at, okay? You'd have a side carport here with a shed at the end. We also build those. Going to the house, you've got lots of different exterior color options, board and batten siding. There's lots of different things you can do here. We'll get into those specifics. Standard, you'll have an integrated 6x12 front porch with the vinyl posts and rails. It'll also come with treated lumber decking, and there is an option to upgrade this decking to composite, which is a nice option to consider. This is a beautiful home from Homes of Merit. Let's go on inside and take a closer look. Okay, coming into the front living room area here, you've got this nice living room, front kitchen, front dining room, standard 8-foot flat ceilings. This is a full finished drywall, okay? Overhead ductwork is also standard. They've done a really good job, Homes of Merit has, with this floor plan. With it being less than 1,200 square feet and a 3-bedroom, they've still done a good job with this layout. It doesn't feel like 1,200 square feet. It feels a little bit bigger than what it actually is. All right, nice island here. There's lots of different colors on the countertops, the cabinets, lots of different colors there. You can do black or stainless steel appliances. This is a farm sink that we added, okay? In the Forest Manor series, you have a lot of options and upgrades that you can move up to, okay? Dining room here, and then let's transition to the bathroom. So coming down the hallway from this front living room area, you've got the bathroom right here. There's a tub shower in this bathroom. All right, single sink, the toilet. Moving into the utility room. So washer dryer space here, access panel there, your 200 amp panel is there. Decent sized utility room. Again, for a 52-foot home, less than 1,200 square feet, you get your own utility room, which is nice. If this were in a community, this would be your rear entrance off of the carport, okay? Going into bedroom number 3. Decent sized bedroom, not huge, but it is a 3rd bedroom, okay? It's got its own closet, all right? So this is bedroom number 3. And then bedroom number 2 is a little bit bigger than bedroom 3. Again, decent size, it has its own closet, okay? So closet space, all right? Nice, full finished drywall. I like the crown, I like the molding in this. And then here's the master, good size master. So they saved the space for the master bedroom in this print, all right? Okay. And then moving into the master bathroom, you've got this nice large vanity, double sinks, and then you've got a shower in this master, okay? You got the option for the transom. The Forest Manor series from Homes of Merit, it's a very competitively priced drywall home that offers a lot of the options and upgrades that the high-end manufacturers have without getting into that crazy high price point. So it's a very competitively priced drywall home. It's a good community model. Since it's a 24 wide, this will fit most community lots. So this is something to take a look at. If you want a 3-bedroom, you gotta have drywall and it needs to be 24 wide, I would take a close look at this home, Forest Manor 24 by 52. Thank you.